Hey guys, good afternoon. Forex Breezio one last time today. It's 4:20 p.m. Thursday, October 12th. And just one last update on these future indices for today. And as you can see, so when I posted the video around lunchtime, I was talking about the fact that I got out of my long position at the top because I just didn't like the fact that it wasn't able to punch through here. That turned out to be very smart because I can see right after that, an hour or so later, we had this big drop, this big candle here. This is the hourly chart of the NASDAQ futures. And you can see, though, exactly what price did. It came down here, fell right back into our range that we established a couple of days ago. Okay, tried to poke through, pulled back, and now, we're probably going to close back inside this range. So, some sellers stepped in for sure. I did not take any short positions. I really wasn't, I wasn't home. So I didn't even really see this until about an hour, maybe an hour and a half ago, and it was already done by then. Plus, I don't know if I would have taken it anyways because this happened so fast. The price got down here, and I had a feeling it would get stuck inside this range. So honestly, I wouldn't have taken it anyways, but really, really interesting, just the reaction it had off this zone. And then, just the fall, and then the buyers immediately stepped in and stopped it from going any further outside of this range. And so now, again, we're just back inside the range again. And so we'll see what happens. I don't know if we'll get any movement tomorrow. Obviously, nothing's going to happen now. The market will be, the North American session's closing. And if we go and look at the S&P, this one fell a little more, fell outside of the range. You can see this is really the bottom of the range right here with this candle. And you can see we did have two candles closed, one bearish candle, one bullish candle closed outside of this support area. But you can see now it's come back in. So this one fell a little bit harder. So, again, we'll see. Whether we're going to just now continue a downtrend tomorrow or whether we'll recover and start working our way back up here. I suspect probably we'll see the price trading inside this range again going into tomorrow. And then we'll just have to see, what happens. But that is the current status. This was a real sharp move to the downside. I don't suspect there was probably a lot of volume on there, but let's just throw a volume indicator on here. So if we look at this downtrend here, we did have a spike in the volume and then it kind of dropped off. So there could be follow through on this volume tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. Not a big fan of volume, but I know some people look at it. But anyways, I just wanted to provide you a last update for today. And like I said, it was obvious price was going to have a hard time getting through this zone. I said that a couple of times, and you can see it did, and it fell away. Now, whether it continues down or not, if we break out of this zone to the downside and take out like this low right here, then yes, I think there's a decent fall can be had for this thing, and I'll start looking for shorts. But if it recovers back and we start heading back out of the zone, and back into this area, then I think the buyers will be able to push it through. So we'll see what happens going into the overnight and the early session tomorrow, and then obviously on the New York Open. Tomorrow is Friday, so generally speaking, we have kind of an early flash in the pan, and then things tend to dry up pretty quick on Friday. But anyways, I wanted to provide that update, and that's about it. Natural gas, again, did nothing, just been stuck in the range all day. So again, nothing there really worth talking about. So, all right, guys, so I'll leave it there. Questions, comments, leave them below. And I hope these updates are helpful and just kind of get you thinking about, really looking at what's going on with price and kind of paying attention to some of the fundamental news that can drive this stuff. And because there's certainly plenty of that right now. All right, and that's it. So we'll catch everybody tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night. Thanks.